Okay, so how can we quickly upload a document, a PDF document? You can do this with EPUB documents as well, using the phone app. So here's my phone. I've gone into, I'm going to upload a couple of journals onto here, the journals that I've got. So first of all, because I want to show you how long it takes, I go into my journals. I've got two. I need another. I've got one more for her, and then I've got 3 journals for him that I've been making. So let's put the third journal for her up there. So we've got emotions in the workplace. We've got mindful. We want invisible her. We want the actual journal. Okay, here it is. You can open any PDF on your phone. Can you see that? You can open any PDF. And once you've done it, you will have options. So what we want to do is tap on the 3 dots. We want to open in, okay? We'll go open in. It's preparing to export, but we're going to have a look in a minute to see where it comes on here. All right, so now I've got options. All right, so I want to, I've been getting messages from people. So I want to open the reMarkable. Oh, that's interesting. Here we go. See down the bottom, syncing. We're syncing here. La 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 la. And now it's finished. Now I don't want it there. I want it in this folder. So the way, now you can, now have a look down here. You can see the device is syncing as well. So if we go and have a look back in our My Files, you will see emotions in the workplace has come up. That's not the one we want. Oh, it's going to take a minute. It's just going to take a minute. That was, I'm going to move that one. Oh, we'll do that in a second. No bother. Okay, so back in work, back in journals. We've got these 2. Now we want to move this one. I'm going to press and hold. We're going to, sorry, can you see that? We're going to move, select a destination. We're going to go to work, Etsy, journals. We want to move it here. So we're going to move it there, and there it is. So we've got the 3 journals for her, and now we want to put the 3 journals for him. So, but you can see the syncing? It just takes a minute. Now I wanted to show you how long it takes. I'm just going to drink my cup of tea while I'm while I'm waiting, because it's important. This just takes time. And look, if it's a big document, it's going to take longer. Literally, it can take, I've counted it, like literally more than 60 seconds. Like it feels like forever, but it's not that long. Okay, so it's actually done. So it was probably about 20 seconds. Now we've got the Feeling Invisible journal there. Can you see the 3? All right, now I'm going to upload just to show you again, I'm going to upload the journals for guys. I'll upload a couple of them. As you saw, I did one earlier, right? So with this one, I'm going to press and hold. I'm going to move it. It's asking me to select. I'm going to go work, Etsy, journals. I want to put it in here. So I'm going to move it there, and you can see it's there now, and you can see it's syncing, but let's have a look to see how long it takes, and then we'll upload one more. So this is the same journal for her. This is the journal for him. Oh, there it is. That was a lot quicker. All right. Now we're going to go back to my Google Drive. Let me recognize my face. Yes. And we're going to, I'm going to click off that. I'm going to click off that. And I'm just going to give me a second to find his journals. All right. I've got his journals now. We've got the emotions one. Let's get the mindful journal. And here it is. So again, bring up anything you like on your phone, any document, photo, anything you like. Come down here, open in. So this is obviously Google Drive. Sorry, I think I forgot to mention that. Sorry, I don't want to, I'm just mindful of people's privacy, that's all. With, so I'm going to open in. So this is obviously Google Drive. Sorry, I think I forgot to mention that. Sorry, I don't want to, I'm just mindful of people's privacy, that's all. With, so I'm just mindful of people's privacy, that's all. With, so I'm just mindful of people's privacy, that's all. see down the bottom here, it's syncing. So I selected the reMarkable app. I selected that. And it's going to be on the, I'm just going to come back to the main screen, because what we're going to do is we'll see it. Let me go back here. It should show up. There it is. It's come up there. And we're just going to give it a second. Oh, there it is. It's already there. And so now I'm just going to move it. I'm going to move it on my phone just for the sake of it, but just to show you that, you know, the same options. I won't actually transact it, but you can see the same options come up here. But let me click off that because I'm doing it here. Where do I want to put it? I want to put it in my journals folder in here. And that's done. So I've got a third one for guys, and I will move that later. I mean, really, I just wanted to show you that that's how easy it is to use your phone. Anything you can bring up here. You do need the option with the reMarkable app. Let me just, give me a second while I just click off that. I'm just trying to, you know, protect people's privacy there. But I'm hoping you can see the reMarkable. It gives you all the options of where you can open to, and it's the little reMarkable. You do have to download the app obviously first, but if you've got the app downloaded, then it will come up as an option. How cool is that? That is so cool that you can use it on your phone like that. So that is how you use your phone to upload and sync. And I will say, it can seem a little quicker on your phone. Look, I haven't timed it exactly between the two with the laptop and the device versus the phone and the device, but it does feel a little quick on your phone. So that's an interesting observation. Okay, don't forget, some support with like and subscribe would be awesome, greatly appreciated. And please ask me any questions in the comments below.